Hello users, in today's video we will see how to rename or delete a book. To rename or delete a book, you need to go onto the book screen. Just tap on the name of the book and here you are at the book screen. So let's say I want to rename this sample book. So on the right side you can see the three dots, just tap there and you can see two options, delete book or rename. So I'll rename it to home expenses. And see the name of the book has been changed. In similar way, if I want to delete this book, I will again tap on these three dots. I'll click on delete book. But for the safety reasons, it will ask me to retype the name. So I'll just type it, home expenses. But remember, once deleted, it cannot be retried back. So it will activate the delete button. I'll just tap on it and my book is successfully deleted. We'll end this video here. Thank you.